Boom! Just because gusto kong magyabang. Hey! Guys, for today's vlog, samahan nyo ako, mangolekta tayo ng pera ko. Ito yung isa kong deal na ginawa recently. And ngayon pa lang ako babayaran ng buyer ko. And then later on today, sila tatay is magla-landscaping dun sa project West Kildonan. So, I'll show you guys what it looks like there too. Okay guys, we're here. Nandito na tayo sa meeting place natin. Can you guys guess pala kung how much are we making today? I'm not sure kung nandito na yung mga buyers ko, but I texted them already. So let's see. Comment down below kung magkano yung pera natin today. Payday Friday! Let's go! Boom! 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 If you guess 22, then you're right. That's what we got today. Payday Friday. Siyempre, hindi ko na binidyoan yung transaction, diba? Kasi very, confidential. So, heading to another deal. Actually, meron kaming ginawang deal last night with another partner of mine. And last night, my buyer bought it sight unseen. So, hindi niya natingnan yung property before niya binili yung property or yung contract sa amin. So, that shows you guys when the number works or when the number is right, people will pull the trigger to buy it. So, that's what happened. And I'm heading there right now just to show them yung loob ng bahay. And that's it. We got paid already. And yeah, that's it. Guys, hindi ko pinapakita to or hindi ko kinikwento sa inyo yung kinikita ko just because gusto kong magyabang. I'm not in any position na magyabang dahil malaki na kinikita ko, blah 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 blah. But I'm sharing it to you guys to inspire you, encourage you to step out of your comfort zone. Kasi like the video that I posted yesterday dun sa reels ko, hindi ka magiging 100% ready on anything in life. You just have to take that first step. Kasi ang daming taong, I'll take action pagka alam ko na lahat. I'll use myself as an example. Hanggang ngayon, I don't know everything about real estate. And I will never know everything about real estate until I probably die. Right? So, kayo, kung you've been thinking of starting your own business or you've been thinking of trying to do what I'm doing, you don't need everything. You don't need to know everything about it. You just need to take that first action and learn as you go. It will help you a lot kung meron kang coach or mentor along your side. So, again, hindi ko pinopost or hindi ko sinishare yung mga kinikita ko ngayon dahil gusto ko lang magyabang. I'm doing it to inspire you guys. That's it.
And
this is the monster.
If you look right here.
Okay guys, everything is good. Nakita na nung buyer natin and we are solid. Done deal. Another 5K. Plus yung 20 natin. Good Friday, man. It's a good Friday. It's a good day. Let's go. Mamaya pupunta pala tayo sa West Kildonan kasi sila tatay and mommy, sila yung gagawa ng landscaping dun sa exterior ng bahay. So, tingnan natin kung maganda yung kakalabasan ng gagawin nila doon.
What's your favorite Indian song?
Okay, dadala natin ng pagkain yung mga workers natin doon. Sushi bake. Pati pala itong saging. Okay, bye!
Bye! What's the name of the workers, Daddy?
Sonia and Rudy.
Sonia?
And Rudy.
Like Mommy?
Yeah.
That's Mommy's name.
Yeah, like Mommy and Lolo.
But don't copy it.
Ayun ang name nila eh.
Seriously?
Yeah. I'll take a video and picture, okay? Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa Project West Kildonan. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga workers ko. Excited na ba kayo? Sila yung nagla-landscape ngayon dito. Mag-asawa to. Hey! Pakain. Mga worker ko mahirapan na. Minus na sa bayad sa inyo pati yan ang nyo. Okay. Ba't parang ang itim, ang dark niya? Palitan natin?
No.
Okay yan?
Oh.
Sabi ko kay Ellis, meron akong worker bago. Sabi niya, anong pangalan ng worker mo? Sabi ko, Sonia and Rudy. Yung tingin niya Sabi niya, sounds like Mommy and Lolo. Alright guys, all done dito sa Project West K. Time to go home. Tapos na din nila tatay yung labas. And that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.